O eto mga kadunatics, marami tayong pag-usapan ngayon. Auntie Claire. Sinabi sa bagong interview niya mga kadunatics na hindi siya anti-Duterte. Kami palukuhin mo? Ha? Palingkera? Halos lahat negatibo na lang nakikita niya sa Duterte mga kadunatics. Tapos sabihin mo, ha? Hindi ako anti-Duterte. What the heck? Yung bukang bibig niya mga kadunatics, Duterte. Wala kang narinig na positibo mga kadunatics. Agree? Pero sabihin niya sa bagong interview mga kadunatics na maka-Duterte pa rin daw siya. Like, kami ba yung binobola mo? Ha? We are wise enough to know kung sino yung plastic, kung sino yung hindi. Ay, sarap itapon sa ilog mga kadunatics para malaman talaga na plastic. Kasi lulutang yan eh. Ay nako, siguradong lulutang yan si Auntie Claire mga kadunatics. Talagang plastic eh. At eto, panoorin na lang natin video.
Hindi siya anti-Duterte. Yan ang iginiit ni Palace Press Officer Claire Castro kasunod ng matatapang niyang payag laban sa dating administrasyon sa programang The Long Take ng One News. Binunyag ni Castro na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte Pangaraw ang binoto niya noong 2016 presidential elections. Ngayong tagapagsalita na ng Malacanang, hindi raw trabaho ni Castro na sira ng mga kalaban sa politika ng administrasyon. Itinatama lang daw niya ang mga maling kwento laban kay Pangulong Marcos at sa gobyerno.
Wow! Wow! Si Castro pala mga kadunatics basically is an editor. Tinatama daw niya yung mga maling pahayag patungkol sa mga Marcoses. While nag-edit din siya mga kadunatics patungkol sa mga Dutertes. So saan ba talaga? Kasi ang naririnig lang namin puros mga negatibo. Ay nako. So hindi siya ginawang spokesperson mga kadunatics to update us kung anong nangyayari ngayon, ha? Kung anong yung mga progress sa bansa. Kundi nilagay siya dyan mga kadunatics, ha? To defend solely the president or the Malacanang mga kadunatics, the Marcoses in particular. What the heck? So yung trabaho mo dyan, hindi as a spokesperson, you are a defender actually mga kadunatics. What do you think? Do you agree? Let's go.
Would you say you were anti-DDS?
Hindi.
Anti-DDS?
I voted for Digong.
I voted for Digong. Yung mukha niya, mukha talaga. Napansin niyo mga kadunatics? Iba-iba yung mukha niya no? Minsan, para talagang nasa 50s na siya. Pero minsan ganito yung mukha niya. Parang hindi ko maintindihan mga kadunatics. Kasi minsan sa podcast niya, nako, grabe yung filter. Alam natin. Pero pag doon sa Malacanang press conference mga kadunatics, parang galit na galit pa lang yung mukha niya. At ang tanda-tanda. Pero sa mga ganito, ewan ko kung ini-edit ba yung mukha ni Castring.
In 2016?
Yes, 2016.
Would you say who you voted for in 2022?
Campaign for him. Ay, nako. Maniniwala ba tayo mga kadunatics na kinampanya pa talaga niya si Tatay Digong during 2016 na election? Well, it could be right, it could be wrong mga kadunatics. Pero the way she is talking right now, the way she is acting mga kadunatics, I don't think so na pro-Duterte siya or she's not anti-Duterte. Because lahat na lang mga kadunatics, kahit fake news, inilalabas yung mga kadunatics patungkol sa mga Duterte. I don't think so mga kadunatics na pro-Duterte itong Castring na to. At eto mga kadunatics, si Mayor Maggalong, naglabas siya ng statement na pwede siyang magiging witness mga kadunatics at may mga ebidensya siya patungkol sa flood project anomalies mga kadunatics. At alam nyo ba, anong ginawa ni Castring? Itong si Claire Castro. Ang ginawa niya mga kadunatics, parang ginawang mali pa si Mayor Maggalong. Ginawang kalaban dahil sa pahayag na yon. At eto.
Ako'y nakikiusap lang na please, huwag naman kayo maging sarcastic. Hindi po kami ang kaaway nyo rito. Ako, apektado kami. I'm pretty sure ganun din ang sentiment ni Senator Lacson na parang kami pang kaaway. Ano ba yan, Yusek? Bakit mo naman ganyan? Napaka-sarcastic naman yung binanggit mo. Ang kaaway nyo po, yung mga kakilala nyo po dyan sa Kongreso. Yan po ang kaaway natin ngayon dito. At syempre, yung mga tiwaling official din dyan sa implementing agencies. binanggit ni Yusek Castro, ito yun sabi niya, siguraduhin lamang po ninyo na ang inyong report ay may pasihan para hindi masayang ang oras ng gobyerno. Sana verified at meron po talaga kayong alam. Parang kami pa yata ang kaahutan na kami na nga nakikipagtulungan, no? Nagbibigay na nga ng lead. Ano ba ang mali? Ano ba ang sinasabi niyang wala kaming pasihan? Ano? Nagugulat na lang ako, parang kaaway pa kami at parang nagagalit pa sila sa amin. Huwag naman sana. Kasi dito sa laban sa korupsyon, kami yung friendly force. Kami yung makakatulong sa kanila. Sana wag ko kami i-accuse ni, pagsabihan ho sana ni Presidente si Yusek Claire na wag ko sana kaming bastusin. Kasi nakaka-insulto ho yung binanggit ho niya kahapon.
Grabe yung mga kadonatics na instead na i-appreciate yung effort nila mga kadonatics kasi it's not easy to be a witness and magpalabas ng ebidensya mga kadonatics kasi bilyonaryo yung makakalaban mo dito. Tapos sasabihin mo lang na you make sure na totoo yung mga ebidensya mo at nagsasabi ka ng totoo. What the heck? Ay nako, hindi ko maintindihan talaga yung utak ni Castring mga kadonatics. How can you even say that? Hindi ba dapat na just let them go there? Hindi ka i-prejudge mo na agad na ganun. Ginawa mong kontrabida. Yan yung mga kadonatics, yung masama dyan na kasi ang tingin nila sa kay Mayor Magalong mga kadonatics dahil nag-expose siya palagi ng mga controversies issues patungkol sa government ay kalaban. Gusto niyang tumulong mga kadonatics na at least man lang mga kadonatics makatulong sa gobyerno. Kasi if the government is really for the people and anti-corruption talaga, dapat open arms nila tinatanggap yung mga ganito mga kadonatics, mga witness evidences para mapadali yung, di ba, yung work nila. Ewan ko to si Castring mga kadonatics, baliktad talaga yung utak para yung amo niya. Ito. Update muna tayo kay Tatay Digong kasi mukhang matagal na tayo hindi naka-update mga kadonatics. At eto, may bagong pahayag si Kitty Duterte. Makinig tayo mga kadonatics.
Tungkol kay Tatay Digong, how is he doing today? How's your visit today?
Atty.
For
Roque.
today, hello, you are welcome here.
Uy, ready to be a mom na.
Today, he was, it was the usual. I got him snacks first. I arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him to my mom and my
So cute.
siblings. Ganon. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And then I threw the question back. Okay, how about you? How are you? He said he's fine and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that's happening. He said nga, because my father, he's a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said in verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palms and he said it is written. And he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Kung anong nasa palad mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So, you just pray to God that He will not give you so much of a harsh experience in life. So I said yes. Ganon. And ayun, he was just munching on some snacks and he really likes the pancake ba yun.
Okay.
So I thought he was hungry. Like I thought he was akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So parang I was worried. I said, did you eat today? Sabi niya yes naman. He had chicken and rice today.
Okay.
So he's doing good. He's fine. And for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Mira, yung baby girl namin, and he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste nga, na sobrang kamukha niya. So, ayun, yun yung palagi niyang minamention, si Soling, saan si Soling, ganun. And then parang a different kind of light beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya na kamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today and he was happy to see me and anong araw ba ngayon? It's Tuesday.
the
So
19th.
he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they are children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan ng current affairs sa Philippines.
Today, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something ang Davao City. Still one of the safest places, cities
Second.
second, yeah.
Wow.
In Southeast Asia.
Wow! Grabe. Nice! In Southeast Asia, that is actually great mga kadonatics. Davao City ngayon is second safest place.
Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Duterte. I told him na, oh, you know, si Kuya Baste, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
CVP, when do we expect a visit po?
Si VP,
Very nice update mga kadonatics. Very nice.
I don't know pa. I just know that for this month, ano ba kaya? I'm lost. But it's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, you know, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So I will still ask them pa rin today.
Okay. Yeah. May mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again from the New Yorkers. The first time.
Well, anyway mga kadonatics, wow, very nice update. Yeah, parang tinanggap na talaga ni Tatay Digong yung kapalaran niya mga kadonatics na somehow, even before napunta siya sa ICC mga kadonatics, na andun na sa kanyang pag-iisip mga kadonatics na he's gonna end up behind the bars. And yeah, he accepted it. And the most important thing actually, we have to accept whatever that comes our way mga kadonatics. Because by accepting mga kadonatics, it comes you less stress and pressure mga kadonatics sa life mo. And then if you are gonna make a change, then you have to start from that moment. But I still really hope mga kadonatics and pray na makabalik si Tatay Digong because I really wanted to see him. Not just in TV, but in person. I will hug him really mga kadonatics. How I wish it's not too late for us. Thank you so much mga kadonatics, and God bless you all the time. Please ingat palagi and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye.